Munini wa President Kithure Kindiki niagite na giikaro na gavana wa Embu Cecily Mbarire thutha wa Mbarire kumuorota akiuga ni aramwerekeria migui yake uteti njatukano iria yeyumiririe mwaka muhituku thutha wa President William Ruto kugiririo igongona-ini ria mitha ya kanitha umwe wa Gatoleki mwena ucio.
You are a UDA governor and the national chairman of the ruling party. Your party leader, the president, comes to your hometown and is heckled. What reason do we have to have you on board as a... Yeah?
Unipatie heshima vile na wapatia heshima. I do not take our support for President William Ruto for granted. Kama kuna shida, mtuite kwa meza mtuambie kuna shida wapi. But musituletee vita hapa Embu.
So there is no cause of alarm. I saw there were some politicians there trying to create problems, and there are no problems. And to demonstrate there are no problems, apart from what DG has said, I bring you greetings from my sister Cecily Mbarire, the governor of Embu County. She could not be with us because the president has called another meeting at 2 o'clock in State House on livestock vaccination with all governors.
Maya magithie na mbere, Kindiki ni acoketie mwihoko kuri arimi a muguka na kugaria ndekithia ria watho uri urambikitwo gutemanio bunge-ini ni mubunge wa Kilifi ya Rugongo Owen Mbaya ukienda kuruta muguka gikiro-ini kia mimereria irehagira bururi baita na kuutua dawa cia kurefia ni uteaniirio kurumirira uiguano na mubunge uyu.
The sponsor of the intended legislation which would have affected Muguka has agreed graciously to drop that legislative proposal.
Aretie thutha wa kuhingura kigomano kiria kirehete hamwe arimi a makandamia makiaririria ciigie mathina maria maramatunga thoko na muno makiria mitaratara iria yagirirwo kwambikwo arimi makahotaga gwitigiria baita.
One tree can give you approximately 10,000. So as a young person, if you are able to plant 100, in a year you are able to do 1 million. What that means is you just need 1 acre of a shamba.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Njenga Wambui.